Good afternoon. Chapter Continuity and Differentiability, exercise 5.2. Question number 1. The question is, differentiate the function with respect to x. Differentiate the function with respect to x sin x square plus 5. So first question is sin x square plus 5. Sin x square plus 5. Okay. With respect to x, find its derivative. That means find dy by dx if this is y. So let this equal to y. Let y equal to sin x square plus 5. This is y. Okay. Now differentiate with respect to x. That means both side dy dx. So therefore dy dx of y, because of with respect to x, that means dy dx. Dy dx of y equal to dy dx of sin x square plus 5. Okay. So dy dx of y means dy by dx. Derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. So it is dy by dx. This equal to, so sin x square plus 5. So the trigonometric ratio is sin. Now sin derivative it is cos. So cos sin theta derivative we know cos theta. So cos x square plus 5 into dy dx of x square plus 5. X square plus 5. If it is only x, suppose question is only sin x, then derivative of sin x is cos x. No need to write into dy dx of x, because we know x derivative is 1. We know x derivative with respect to x is 1. So no need to write again into dy dx of x. Okay, directly we can write cos x. But here not x. So x square plus 5. So except x, if anything is present, then you have to do again dy dx of that part. So dy dx of x square plus 5. So this equal to cos x square plus 5, x square plus 5 into x square derivative we know 2x, because of formula x to the power n, dy dx of x to the power n means n into x n minus 1. So x square derivative we know 2x, and plus 5 is constant derivative is 0. So x square derivative 2x. So therefore dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to 2x cos x square plus 5. 2x cos x square plus 5, this is the answer. Anyone, any question? Hello?
No, sir.
Clear it is?
No, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sakshi, Ruchika?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question, number 2. Number 2 is, question is cos sin x. Sin x. Okay. So let y equal to this function. Whatever question. Let y equal to cos sin x. Okay. So take dy dx. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. That means dy dx of y, this equal to dy dx of, dy dx means derivative with respect to x, dy dx of cos sin x. Cos sin x. So this means dy by dx, dy by dx equal to, so what is the derivative of cos x? Cos x derivative?
Minus
Minus
sin.
Yes, minus sin x. So minus sin whatever angle sin x into dy dx of this into dy dx of sin x. Sin x. Okay. Then dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to minus sin sin x into sin x derivative
Cos
cos x.
cos x. Yes, cos x. Okay. So minus sin x into cos x. This is the answer. Okay. Derivative completed. This is the answer. So dy by dx equal to minus sin x cos x. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Number 3. Next. So question number 3 is, and write down all the answer. Number 3 is sin ax plus b. Sin ax plus b. Ax plus b. Okay. So let y equal to this. Let y equal to sin ax plus b. Sin ax plus b. Now dy dx. That means dy by dx equal to, so dy by dx equal to dy dx of sin ax plus b. Ax plus b. Okay. Then this dy by dx equal to, so sin derivative, sin is cos ax plus b into dy dx of ax plus b. Okay. Then equal to cos ax plus b and a and b are constant, and derivative of x is 1. So ax derivative is a into 1. A into 1 and b derivative only b constant, it is 0. Okay. So therefore dy by dx equal to, so the answer is dy by dx equal to a, small letter a is constant, a cos ax plus b. Okay. Hello. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is the answer. Number 3. Write down. Next, question number 4. Number 4. Sec tan root x. Sec tan root x. Okay. So let y equal to this. Let y equal to sec tan root x. Okay. Now dy dx both side. So dy by dx equal to dy by dx of sec tan root x. Sec tan root x. Now, what is the derivative of sec x?
So sec x into tan x.
Yes, sec x tan x. So sec x derivative sec x tan x. That means sec of tan root x into sec of tan root x into tan of tan root x. Sec x tan x. This question x means tan root x. So sec x tan root x. So this is sec derivative sec x tan x. Now into dy by dx of tan root x. Tan root x. Okay. Now dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to sec tan root x into tan root x into tan x derivative. Tan x is sec square x. Sec square root x into dy dx of root x. Into dy dx of root x. Okay, here it is clear. Again you have to do root x derivative
Yes, sir.
because root x is not 1. If x is there then it's okay, but root x then you have to do again. So this equal to dy by dx equal to sec tan root x into tan root x into sec square root x into root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. Yes, 1 by 2 root x. This is root x derivative. Okay. So root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. So now therefore answer right. Last step. Therefore dy by dx equal to sec, question is sec tan root x. So sec tan tan root x into tan root x into sec square root x. Sec square root x, this total divided by 2 root x. Total divided by 2 root x. This is the answer. Okay? Write down. Clear? Okay. Next question. Next we'll do number 6. Number 6, product of two functions are there. Two function, product rule. Cos x cube into sin square x to the power 5. Division rule you have to remember. Division rule. Number 5 is division rule.
Yes, sir.
So we'll do first division rule, no? Okay. Do 5 number. 5, 6, do. Division and product. Okay. So 5 number is let y equal to sin ax plus b, sin ax plus b. This divided by cos cx plus d. Cos cx plus d. Okay. So ax plus b by cx plus d. Sin cos. Okay. So u by v, apply u by v rule. So dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to dy dx of this sin ax plus b, sin ax plus b divided by cos cx plus d. Cos cx plus d. Okay. So dy by dx equal to so v square, that means cos square cx plus d. Cos square cx plus d. Then only v here, v into. So cos cx plus d, this into dy dx of u, sin ax plus b, sin ax plus b, this minus just opposite sin ax plus b, sin ax plus b into dy dx of, okay, dy dx of what? Dy dx of cos cx plus d. Okay, so write here cos cx plus d. Okay, now dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to so cos cx plus d, cos cx plus d into sin formula, sin derivative cos, so cos ax plus b, cos ax plus b. Sin theta is cos theta. Ax plus b into ax plus b derivative. X is 1, b is 0. Only a. Only a. X is 1 and b derivative is 0 constant. So a into a. Minus sin ax plus b. Sin ax plus b. Ax plus b. This into dy dx of cos cx plus d. So cos derivative is minus sign. Okay. So this minus plus. Clear? Minus plus. Because cos derivative minus sign. So sin cx plus d. Cx plus d into cx derivative c into 1 and d derivative 0, so into c divided by cos square cx plus d. Cos square cx plus d. Okay. Write one more step. Just simplify. Dy by dx equal to, therefore dy by dx equal to a, small letter 1 a is there, so a cos cx plus d into cos ax plus b into cos ax plus b. Okay, plus c at first, right? C sin ax plus b, sin a x plus b into sin cx plus d into sin cx plus d. Okay, by cos square cx plus d. Okay, this is the answer. Hello. Just
Yes, sir.
just remembering the formula u by v. Okay. Here now, remember u by v rule.
Yes, sir.
Now do product rule. 6 number question now. Product rule.
Yes, sir.
Number 6. Sixth number is, let y equal to cos x cube into sin square x to the power 5 sin square x to the power 5. Okay, this is the question. So two function u and v, that means product rule. So dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to, so first take any one constant, first one u, cos x cube into dy dx of v, that is sin square x to the power 5. Okay, plus middle sign is plus because product rule, just opposite. So plus constant is sin square, second function sin square x to the power 5, sin square x to the power 5 into dy dx of u, first one. Dy dx of u is cos x cube. Okay, now start derivative. So dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to cos x cube into. So sin square derivative we know 2 sin x square 2x. Okay. So x square is 2x. Suppose sin square theta. Sin square theta derivative is 2 sin into dy dx of sin. So here sin square, that means 2 sin. So 2 sin x to the power 5 into dy dx of sin x5. Sin x5 dy dx of. Now plus sin square x to the power 5 is constant. Sin square x to the power 5 is constant into cos x cube. So cos derivative minus sin x cube into dy dx of x cube. Dy dx of x cube. Okay. Then to write at first 2 cos x cube into sin x to the power 5 and sin x to the power 5 derivative, sin is cos, sin derivative cos. So cos x to the power 5 into dy dx of x to the power 5. Now plus 1 minus sign also there. Okay, write minus with bracket minus sin square x5 sin square x to the power 5 into cos x5 into 5 x to the power 5 derivative 5x4. Okay, next one more step. So equal to it is equal to x to the power 5 derivative 5x4. So 1 5 and 2, 5 into 2 10. So it is 10 cos x cube into sin x5 sin x5 into cos x5 into cos x5 and x to the power 5 is 5x4 into x to the power 4 into x to the power 4. 5 already taken, 5 into 2 10. Now plus minus sign minus 5x4 sin square x to the power 5 cos x5. Okay, so minus 5x4 sin square x5 cos x5. So this is equal to dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to 10x4. At first to write x4, so 10x4 sin x to the power 5 or cos x cube sin x5 sin x5 into cos x5 x5, then minus sign, minus 5x4, it is where coming 5, yes, here it is. Say dy dx of x cube, no? At last part to check, plus minus minus sin square x5 is okay. Then sin x cube into 3x square. It is sin x cube into 3x square here. This is 3x square, okay?
Yes, sir.
Square, because x cube, no? 3x
Yes, sir.
square. 3x square. Second part, dy dx of x cube, 3x square, and minus is okay, sin square x5, and it is sin x cube. This is sin x cube.
Okay, sir.
Okay, question is like this, no? Sin x cube, yes. Then 10 is okay, 10 cos x cube, then sin x5, then sin x cube, 10 cos x cube, sin x5 is okay, then cos x5 it's okay, okay, x4, 5x4 is okay, correct. Then minus 3 here, this is minus 3 x square, minus 3x square, sin square x5 is okay, this into sin x cube, this into sin x cube, it is sin x cube. Okay, next step, check 10x4, okay, cos x cube, sin x to the 5, okay, cos x5, okay, correct. Then minus, yes, 3x square, okay, sin square x5 into sin x cube, so sin square x5, yes, into sin x cube, okay, this is the answer.
Okay, sir.
So product rule concept is easy, but okay, concept is easy, but take time and correctly do practice. Okay, this class 11 you done product rule. Okay,
Yes, sir.
it's different type, so take time when you are doing this question, because this x cube is angle, this is angle x cube, and this is square, these two are different. Clear? Okay, written.
Yes, sir.
Practice this all. Thank you.